In the vast expanse of the cosmos, galaxies drift and dance through the darkness of space, their paths sometimes destined to collide in cosmic cataclysms of unimaginable scale. Welcome to Aftermath, Galactic Collision. The collision of galaxies extends beyond the potential collision of stars and planets, given the vast distances between these celestial bodies. Instead, it signifies the convergence of entire cosmic ecosystems. As galaxies merge, the immense gravitational forces tear through the fabric of space, unleashing a cascade of cosmic-scale destruction and transformation. Two familiar titans of the galactic realm are on a collision course destined to reshape the cosmic landscape. The Milky Way, our celestial home, and the Andromeda galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, are hurtling towards each other at a staggering speed. Andromeda, also known as M31, is a spiral galaxy located approximately 2.537 million light-years away from Earth. It boasts a vast array of stars, nebulae, and stellar clusters, making it one of the most spectacular sights in the night sky. Meanwhile, the Milky Way, our own cosmic abode, is a barred spiral galaxy containing billions of stars, including our Sun. It spans approximately 100,000 light-years in diameter and is home to a diverse array of stellar phenomena, including star-forming regions, supernova remnants, and massive black holes. But despite their cosmic grandeur, these two galaxies are destined to collide in a cosmic ballet that will unfold over billions of years. Current astronomical observations and simulations indicate that the collision, dubbed the Great Galactic Merger, is expected to occur in about 4.5 billion years. As the galaxies draw closer, their gravitational interactions will distort their shapes, flinging stars and interstellar gas into chaotic trajectories. At the heart of the collision, supermassive black holes engage in a deadly dance, merging into colossal entities that devour anything unfortunate enough to stray too close. Their voracious appetite engulfs stars, planets, and entire solar systems, leaving behind a trail of cosmic debris. Amidst the chaos, new stars are born from the remnants of their predecessors, their formation fueled by the shock waves of the collision. These newborn stars herald the dawn of a new era, their light casting a hopeful glow across the cosmic battleground. The merger will also likely result in the formation of a new, larger galaxy, aptly named Milkomeda or Milkdromeda, blending the stellar populations and characteristics of both progenitor galaxies into a single cosmic entity. In the aftermath of a galactic collision, the universe is forever changed. Yet, amidst the destruction and chaos, there is beauty and opportunity. As we gaze upon the cosmic spectacle unfolding before us, we are reminded of the awe-inspiring power and majesty of the universe, with the universe emerging stronger, more vibrant, and more alive than ever before. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like to support the channel. See you on the next Aftermath.